if you can just summarize, what are the three biggest problems or obstacles in the devolution process?
I would be able to tell you, for example, if you come to security. I come from a county like Kisumu. At this particular moment, we are having very big problems with our security. However, Kisumu County has got the security of the disciplinary forces that are supposed to be able to take care of that. The disciplinary forces are actually reporting directly to the national government, which is okay because that is how it's supposed to be done. But in a case where you find Kisumu, there's no people from this county that are involved in the senior management of the security forces. The commandants and the deputy commandants of Kisumu are generally from one or two major ethnic communities in Kenya. None are from the local community. Now you find that in this way, when they make decisions, it's very hard for them not to be biased, especially if they're coming. For example, let me just be honest with you. Majorly the commandant and the deputies of Kisumu, let's say, are coming from the tribe that are actually causing a lot of chaos within our county. It will be very hard for you to convince me that they're going to be able to take care of the people. Yes, it is their own people who are actually bringing the problems in that city. At the same time, as a county, we are not completely involved with the disciplinary forces. Once somebody is not involved with you, they are not reporting to you as the county, and they're only reporting to the national. And there's goes being that discord. The security situation in Kisumu is very hard to maintain. Secondly, we have the county commissioner. And in our systems, most of the staff that are coming from the transition authority to help us in this transition period are also people who are coming from the same administrative administration as the county commissioner. They are therefore likely to pay their allegiance more to the commissioner than to us, the county chiefs, like the county chief of executives. So that is another discord that is happening within the counties. But I believe that with the public service board that we are going to place and then be able to employ our own people, and I also believe that we must have our own inspectorate. We must strengthen our own inspectorate and have our own community policing that is strengthened to be able to help us with our with the discipline within and the security within our county. And that, I think, will bring a big change in how we are going to do business, because without security, it's very hard for investors to come in.